Have you ever wondered why salmon are such fascinating creatures? These aquatic marvels are more than just a popular seafood choice. They are a testament to nature's wonder, showcasing an array of intriguing characteristics and behaviors that leave us in awe. From their awe-inspiring migration journeys to their unique sense of smell, salmon are full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, let's set sail on an exploration into the depths of the salmon universe. Prepare to dive into the world of salmon and discover things you never knew. And did you know that salmon undertake one of the most grueling journeys in the animal kingdom? These remarkable creatures are born in freshwater streams and rivers, but they don't stay there for long. Instead, they venture out into the vast, salty expanse of the ocean. This is where they spend most of their lives, growing, maturing, and preparing for the journey back home. But this journey is no simple task. Swimming against the current, they leap up waterfalls and navigate their way around numerous obstacles. They face threats from predators, changing climates, and even man-made structures. Yet, they press on, driven by an instinctive urge to return to the exact place of their birth. And why do they do this? To spawn the next generation of salmon, continuing the cycle of life in a beautiful yet harsh dance of nature? Their journey is a testament to their resilience and determination. Ever pondered why salmon sport such a unique pink color? Well, it's not just a fashion statement in the aquatic world. The truth is, salmon owe their signature shade to their diet. Yes, you heard that right. The color of these fish is determined by what they eat. Salmon feast on a diet rich in small crustaceans, like shrimp and krill. These crustaceans contain a naturally occurring pigment called astaxanthin, which is a member of the carotenoid family of compounds. Carotenoids are powerful antioxidants and also responsible for the vibrant colors in many fruits and vegetables. When salmon consume these crustaceans, their bodies store the astaxanthin in their muscles, resulting in that distinctive pink hue we associate with salmon. Isn't it fascinating how nature works? What we consume not only nourishes us, but can also influence our physical appearance in surprising ways. So the next time you enjoy a slice of pink salmon, remember, you are what you eat. How long do you reckon salmon live for? A fascinating question indeed. The lifespan of a salmon is, in fact, as varied as the species themselves. On average, most salmon live between 2 to 7 years. However, this can change dramatically between different types. For instance, the Atlantic salmon, known for its resilience, can live up to 7 years. In contrast, the pink salmon, often distinguished by its vibrant hue, typically lives for just 2 years. But it's not just about the numbers. The life of a salmon is a thrilling journey of survival, adaptation, and transformation. From their early days as eggs in freshwater streams to their adventurous years in the vast ocean, and finally their heroic return upstream to spawn. Each moment is an incredible testament to the strength and determination of these creatures. Despite their relatively short lives, salmon certainly make the most of it. Did you know salmon have an extraordinary sense of smell? Indeed, these fascinating creatures are equipped with a powerful olfactory system that plays a pivotal role in their lives. Imagine being able to sniff out your birthplace years after you've left it. Well, that's exactly what salmon do. Their remarkable journey begins and ends in the same freshwater stream where they were born. But how do they find their way back after spending years in the vast open ocean? It's their keen sense of smell that leads the way. They imprint on the unique chemical signature of their home stream as they leave it, and years later they use this scent memory to navigate back. It's like having an aromatic GPS, guiding them through thousands of miles of water back to their birthplace. This homing instinct is so strong that salmon have been known to navigate back even when their home stream has been moved. Their sense of smell truly is their guiding light. Ever considered how crucial salmon are to wildlife? These aquatic creatures play an indispensable role in their ecosystems, acting as a vital food source for many animals. From the moment they hatch, they're on the menu for birds, larger fish, and even insects. As they grow, their list of predators expands to include seals, bears, and humans. But salmon don't just feed other creatures, they also contribute to the health of their environment. When they die, their bodies decompose and release nutrients into the water and surrounding land, fertilizing the area and promoting plant growth. This in turn supports a thriving habitat for other wildlife. Moreover, their epic migration journey stirs up the riverbeds, helping to oxygenate the water, which benefits all aquatic life. It's fascinating how this one species, the salmon, can have such a profound impact on the world around it. Salmon, the unsung heroes of our ecosystems. Ever thought about how salmon have impacted human history and culture? Well, the influence of these remarkable fish is far-reaching and profound. For thousands of years, salmon have been an essential source of food for humans. Indigenous communities in North America, for instance, have relied on salmon for sustenance, using every part of the fish in a testament to their respect for this creature. But it's not just about nourishment. Salmon have also been powerful cultural symbols. In Celtic mythology, the salmon is considered the wisest of all creatures, its wisdom thought to increase with its age and size. In many Pacific Northwest tribes, salmon are revered and celebrated with annual festivals and rituals, signifying their importance in tribal life and identity. It's clear that salmon are not just another fish in the sea. They're deeply woven into the fabric of human history and culture. Salmon truly have a special place in our hearts and our history. Did you know that salmon are one of the most farmed fish in the world? In the past few decades, there's been a significant rise in salmon farming. This shift hasn't just happened by chance. The high demand for salmon, known for its rich flavor and health benefits, has led to the development and expansion of salmon farms globally. Salmon farming, or aquaculture, involves raising salmon in controlled conditions, typically in sea cages or freshwater tanks. It's a complex process requiring careful management of the fish's diet, health, and environment to ensure optimal growth. This rise in farming has had a profound impact on the seafood industry. It's transformed salmon from a seasonal delicacy to a staple available year-round. It's also sparked debates about sustainability and ethics as we balance the demands of consumption with the need for responsible stewardship of our aquatic resources. Salmon farming, a testament to our love for this delicious fish. How big do you think a salmon can get? Now that's a question that might have you scratching your head. We often picture salmon as being a reasonable size, perfect to fit on our dinner plates, but in reality, these incredible fish can grow to be quite large. The king salmon, also known as the Chinook, holds the record for the largest salmon ever caught. This mammoth of a fish was reeled in from the Kenai River in Alaska back in the summer of 1985. It tipped the scales at a whopping 97 pounds and 4 ounces. That's about the same weight as a petite adult human. This giant salmon measured a staggering 58 inches in length. Just to put that into perspective, that's almost 5 feet long. That's taller than some people. So, next time you're out fishing and you reel in a salmon, remember, they can grow to be quite the catch. Ever wondered about the environmental footprint of a salmon? It's a fascinating tale of life and death, where even in their final act, these remarkable creatures contribute to the circle of life. You see, after salmon complete their epic journey upstream to spawn, they die. Their bodies, brimming with nutrients accumulated from their oceanic adventures, decompose and seep into the surrounding soil. This nutrient-rich organic matter, infused with nitrogen and phosphorus, nourishes the forest ecosystem. It's nature's own fertilizer, promoting the growth of lush vegetation and towering trees. The plants, in turn, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, acting as a natural carbon sink. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change, making salmon not just an integral part of their immediate ecosystem, but also a contributor to the global environmental balance. So, the next time you see a salmon, remember that their role extends far beyond their aquatic homes. Even in death, salmon continue to nurture life. What does the future hold for our scaly friends? As we move forward, salmon populations worldwide are facing significant threats. Overfishing, habitat loss, climate change, and pollution are all pressing issues that could affect their survival. Overfishing threatens the balance of our aquatic ecosystems, while habitat loss, often due to human activities like deforestation and dam construction, leaves salmon without places to spawn. Climate change warms the waters, which can lead to a decrease in the amount of food available for salmon. And pollution, whether from industrial waste or plastic litter, can harm salmon directly or indirectly by damaging their habitats. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways we can help. Sustainable fishing practices, habitat restoration, and actions to combat climate change are all crucial. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of these magnificent creatures and making conscious choices to protect them can make a difference. The future of salmon is in our hands. Let's ensure we handle it with care. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about salmon. We've delved into their incredible journeys, admired their distinctive pink hue, and pondered their impressive lifespan. We've sniffed out their remarkable sense of smell, explored their relationships with wildlife and humans, and learned about salmon farming. We've marveled at their varying sizes and understood their environmental impact. We've also glimpsed into the future of salmon. Next time you spot a salmon, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.